Imagine walking into a grocery store in New York or Paris and finding the kimchi shelves completely empty. It's not just a local phenomenon, it's a global one. Kimchi, once a staple solely in Korean households, has transformed into a sought-after health food worldwide. But how did this happen? How did a traditional Korean side dish become a global sensation, captivating taste buds and health-conscious consumers alike? This documentary aims to uncover the secrets behind kimchi's meteoric rise on the global stage. We'll delve into the cultural, economic, and nutritional factors that have propelled kimchi to international stardom. We'll explore the stories of those who have embraced kimchi, from home cooks experimenting with new recipes to chefs incorporating it into innovative dishes. Get ready to discover the fascinating journey of kimchi, from its humble beginnings to its current status as a global culinary icon. We'll be referencing videos 12 and 34 to showcase the kimchi craze in the US and the surge in demand for Korean dumplings and kimchi in Europe. Over the past 30 days, the global perception and consumption of kimchi have undergone a significant transformation. This investigation will dissect the key trends and data points that highlight kimchi's evolving global status. We'll be analyzing a comprehensive data set, including social media mentions, search engine trends, and sales figures, to provide a holistic view of kimchi's current standing in the international market. Furthermore, we will examine the economic ripple effects of this kimchi boom. From increased exports for Korean food companies to the emergence of local kimchi producers in foreign markets, the economic impact is substantial. We'll also be analyzing the proportion of overseas-related videos from a collection of 50 videos to understand the global reach of the kimchi phenomenon. This overview sets the stage for a deeper dive into the specific trends and insights that are driving the global kimchi craze. North America is experiencing a full-blown kimchi fever. This isn't just a fleeting trend, it's a cultural shift. Kimchi is now appearing in school lunch programs, introducing a new generation to the spicy, fermented delight. This integration into mainstream American cuisine signifies a major step in kimchi's journey from ethnic food to everyday staple. Moreover, the homemade kimchi trend is gaining momentum, with locals embracing the art of kimchi making in their own kitchens. This DIY approach reflects a deeper appreciation for the health benefits and unique flavors of kimchi. We'll be analyzing the viewership of video number 16, which features kimchi in American school lunches, and video number 21, which showcases foreigners making kimchi, to gauge the popularity and impact of these trends. In Europe, K-dumplings and kimchi are increasingly being consumed together as a health-conscious meal. This pairing is not just about taste, it's about perceived health benefits. Kimchi, with its probiotic properties, and K-dumplings, often filled with vegetables and lean protein, are seen as a balanced and nutritious option. This perception has led to kimchi being marketed as a wellness food in many European markets. This trend is further fueled by the growing interest in fermented foods and their positive impact on gut health. European consumers are actively seeking out foods that support their overall well-being, and kimchi fits the bill perfectly. We'll be examining the data from video number 34, which highlights the second surge in K-food investments, to understand the economic implications of this trend. Even in Japan, Korea's closest neighbor, there's a renewed interest in Korean cuisine. However, it's not just traditional dishes that are gaining popularity, it's fusion creations like Kimchi Oden Tang that are capturing the hearts and stomachs of the Japanese. This dish, a flavorful combination of kimchi and Japanese oden, showcases the versatility of Korean ingredients and their ability to blend seamlessly with other culinary traditions. This fusion trend reflects a growing openness to new flavors and culinary experiences among Japanese consumers. The popularity of Kimchi Oden Tang demonstrates that Korean cuisine is not just about authenticity, it's about innovation and adaptation. We'll be analyzing the reactions and viewership of videos 18 and 30, which feature Japanese in-laws trying Korean food, to understand the cultural nuances and acceptance of Korean cuisine in Japan. Overseas viewers are increasingly consuming kimchi not just for its spicy flavor, but for its functional health benefits. The focus has shifted from kimchi being merely a spicy side dish to a source of probiotics and immune-boosting properties. This rediscovery of kimchi's health value is driving its popularity among health-conscious consumers worldwide. This trend is supported by scientific research highlighting the positive impact of fermented foods on gut health and overall well-being. Consumers are becoming more aware of these benefits and are actively seeking out foods like kimchi to support their health goals. We'll be examining the search trend data for kimchi health benefits on Google Trends to quantify this growing interest in kimchi's health properties. The rise of YouTube Shorts and online recipe videos has played a crucial role in accelerating kimchi's global popularization. These short, engaging videos transcend language barriers, making kimchi accessible to a wider audience. From simple kimchi fried rice recipes to elaborate kimchi stews, these videos provide viewers with the knowledge and inspiration to incorporate kimchi into their own cooking. This digital revolution has democratized kimchi consumption, empowering home cooks around the world to experiment with this versatile ingredient. We'll be analyzing the impact of global channels like My Healthy Dish, which feature kimchi fried rice recipes, to understand the reach and influence of these digital platforms. In Japan, the K-drama diet craze is driving kimchi consumption. The frequent depiction of kimchi in popular Korean dramas, particularly in mukbang scenes, is influencing viewers to try the dish themselves. This phenomenon highlights the power of media in shaping food trends and consumer behavior. The visual appeal of kimchi in these dramas, combined with the positive associations with Korean culture, is creating a desire among Japanese viewers to experience the taste and health benefits of kimchi firsthand. We'll be analyzing the inflow keywords of videos 15 and 18, which feature Japanese wives and in-laws, to understand the specific search terms and interests that are driving this trend. A cross-analysis of consumption patterns reveals distinct preferences between Eastern and Western consumers. In Western countries, kimchi is often consumed as a salad-style side dish, highlighting its fresh and crunchy texture. This approach emphasizes the versatility of kimchi as a healthy and flavorful addition to salads and other light meals. In contrast, Asian consumers tend to prefer kimchi in deep flavored stews and soups, where its fermented flavors can fully develop and complement other ingredients. This preference reflects a deeper appreciation for the traditional uses of kimchi in Korean cuisine. We'll be estimating the viewing countries for video number 17, spring cabbage salad, and video number 42, old kimchi stew, to compare these consumption patterns. In conclusion, kimchi has evolved beyond a simple export product. It has become a core content IP that is driving global lifestyles. Its versatility, health benefits, and cultural significance have propelled it to the forefront of the international food scene. From school lunches in America to fusion dishes in Japan, kimchi is transforming the way people eat and think about food. This documentary has highlighted the key factors that have contributed to kimchi's global success, including its rediscovery as a health food, the power of digital media in promoting its consumption, and its ability to adapt to different culinary traditions. As we look to the future, it's clear that kimchi will continue to play a significant role in shaping global food trends and cultural exchange. We've summarized the 3 key points from the entire video to reinforce this message.